Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on third-party risk management interview questions and answers. So let's start it. Question number 1. Explain the concept of third-party risk management and why is it important? Basically, third-party risk management involves identifying, assessing, monitoring and mitigating risk posed by vendors, contractors or partners. It's essential because third parties can expose an organization to operational, financial, legal and reputational risk, especially in areas like data privacy, cybersecurity, and regulatory compliance. Question number 2. What types of risk do you assess when onboarding a new third party? Well, I assess several categories of risk, including cyber risk, compliance risk, financial stability, operational performance, data handling practices, and reputational history. I tailor the due diligence based on the criticality of the third party and the services they provide. Question number 3. How do you conduct due diligence on third parties? I start with a risk tiering process based on the nature of the service and access to sensitive data. Then I collect documents like SOC reports, financials, certifications, and run background checks. I also assess their security controls and compliance policies, often using questionnaires and third party intelligence tools. Question number 4. How do you monitor third party risk on an ongoing basis? Well, I implement periodic reviews based on risk level, quarterly for critical vendors, and annually for low risk ones. I track service level agreements, performance metrics, security incidents, and regulatory changes. I also maintain communication with vendors to stay updated on any changes in their processes or control environments. Question number 5. Describe a time you identified a serious risk with a vendor. How did you handle it? In a past role, I discovered a vendor lacked an updated data protection policy despite handling personally identifiable information. I escalated it, halted onboarding, and worked with the vendor to implement corrective measures. We didn't proceed until all compliance gaps were closed. This prevented a potential data breach and ensured regulatory alignment. Question number 6. Which tools or frameworks have you used in third party risk management? Well, I have worked with platforms like Archer, OneTrust, and Process Unity for risk assessments and monitoring. I also apply frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, and SIG questionnaires to assess controls. These tools help automate workflows and ensure consistent, auditable risk evaluations. So, there you have it, 6 most important third party risk management interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.